I'm starting off with a piece of 1-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. This is black furniture grade pipe. I'm using this because of the added UV resistance and impact resistance. The center right there, and so sometimes if these aren't setting, there may be a spot somewhere that's not quite warm enough. You can heat the side of the jig while the bow is clamped in there. Just lightly. If it doesn't go though, don't heat it too much or the sides could split. Alright, there it is. So that looks good. I'm going to heat this side up and flatten that out. Well, that's pretty good. Just a little bit of adjustment here. So I'm going to press this flat against my board, and then right here at the 4-inch section, it's going to be pressed perpendicular to the rest of the bow. Since this is going to be a heavyweight bow, I'm going to keep the handle thick. It's not going to be very narrow on this one, but it needs more body. It's got a lot going on. So now that the handle is done, I'm going to let that cool, and then we're going to start working on the limbs. There we go. Okay. Now, these tips may not look historical, but these are the strongest tips I know of so far for PVC bows, and this bow is going to need them. That looks good. So now that that's heated, place this flat, bring this up, and then press with my hands to flatten it out on the belly side, and press in this first part of this compound recurve. So it's heating up over here and it's starting to thicken. You don't want it too thick here. We still need this to flex further out. We don't want it all to flex in the handle. We'll add our reflex here. And in case you want to, you can pause the video and hold your bow up to mine to get an idea of the angle of this tip. Right. So here's the whole bow and frame. So I've got both tips done. There we go. And that is looking good. Okay. Let's see. 6, 7, 8. Okay. All right, let's go. I took a scouring pad and cleaned off the entire surface of the bow, so now it's a nice matte finish. And I went ahead and cleaned up the nocks and the tips. So I'm wiping the back of the bow down with alcohol to remove any waxes or oils that might keep it from adhering. I'm going to start right in the center of the handle. Try to keep this as level as possible. So I take the piece of vinyl, place it in the center on one side, and then wrap it around. There it is. So here's the string and the bow all finished up. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everybody who's supporting the channel. I'll put links in the description below for the Patreon, Teespring store, and for my books on Amazon. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.